How to use Amazon Photos app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right into without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Play Store, tap on search icon and search for Amazon Photos. Then tap on search. Now simply tap on install. Now wait for the app to install. It might take few minutes. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now wait for the app to open. Now enter the email address and tap on continue. Now enter the password and tap on sign in. Now wait for some time. Now give the permissions if you want to. Then tap on allow access. Now select all photos and videos. Now choose your backup preferences and tap on next. Now toggle save all device folders and tap on next. Then tap on change permissions. Now scroll down and turn off the toggle from manage app if unused. Then go back. Now wait for some time. Now once the upload is complete, you can find all of your photos and videos on this page. Now to view any photos or videos, simply tap on the photo or video. Now to share the photo, simply tap on the share icon. If you want to add it to your favorites, tap on the heart icon. Now if you want to edit the photos, tap on three dots, then tap on edit photo. Now you can get different tools to edit the photo. Now once you're done, simply tap on save at the bottom right corner. Now at last, if you want to delete the photo, simply tap on the trash icon and tap on confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.